How to deal with 10 common bathroom bugs. Insects are attracted to bathrooms due to moisture and warmth. Knowing which bugs thrive and using practical tips can keep them away effectively. Silverfish flourish in humid bathrooms eating starchy items. Use an exhaust fan or open windows to ensure dryness. Cockroaches thrive in moist bathrooms, entering through drains or gaps. Seal entry points, dry surfaces, and fix leaks to deter them, making bathrooms less inviting for these pests. Evict drain flies by scrubbing drains with a brush, flushing with boiling water, and keeping surfaces dry, eliminating their breeding grounds. Spiders, though beneficial by capturing pests, are unwelcome in bathrooms. Clean corners, check cabinets, and use peppermint oil as deterrents to keep them at bay. Ants invade bathrooms for water and food. Repair leaks, seal openings, and discreetly place baits out of children's and pets' reach. Earwigs, identified by pincers on their abdomen, are drawn to damp, dark spaces like bathrooms. While they appear alarming, they threaten humans, preferring to hide in such environments. Centipedes with their many legs can be unsettling. Reduce bathroom moisture using exhaust fans. Seal gaps and manage other insects to deter them, cutting off their entry points and food supply. Saucids thrive in humid bathrooms, feeding on mold. Use a fan, open doors post-shower, and clean mildew to remove their food source. Pillbugs or roly-polies thrive in damp bathrooms. Prevent them by fixing leaks, drying surfaces, sealing gaps in windows and doors to keep them out.